Have you ever thought you could promote ClickBank products on Facebook without a website? Yes, it's possible, and we're diving into how. Hey, it's Scott with SpringHillFox.com. Welcome to the world where Facebook meets ClickBank, minus the website hassle. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to leveraging Facebook's powerhouse audience for your ClickBank success. Have you ever felt bogged down by the nitty-gritty of setting up a website? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a slick workaround? Yes, Facebook is your new best friend in the affiliate marketing realm, and we're here to explore this goldmine. Let's break it down, step by zesty step, from choosing a ClickBank gems to crafting posts that pop. We'll guide you through making Facebook your lucrative marketing playground, all without touching a single line of website code. Ready for the juicy part? We're spilling the beans on killer strategies to boost your reach and conversions on Facebook. Think engaging content, savvy use of groups, and the magic of targeted ads. It's all about getting the right eyes on your offers. Quick recap: ClickBank plus Facebook website equals success. We've demystified the path to promoting your offers with ease and efficiency. Remember, simplicity can lead to profitability. Got a knack for no website wonders? Try these tips and watch your ClickBank journey soar. Remember to hit subscribe for a treasure trove of digital marketing hacks, and drop your success stories or questions below. Your next move could inspire many. Peace out, Scott.